Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Nigerian cocktail. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need a variety of fresh fruits like pineapple, oranges, and watermelon. We'll also prepare a vibrant zobo drink or a sparkling non-alcoholic base. Don't forget a sweetener, perhaps sugar syrup or honey, and some aromatic spices such as ginger and cloves to truly capture that authentic Nigerian taste. This combination ensures a delightful and refreshing beverage. Now, let's move on to crafting the base of your delicious cocktail. Begin by thoroughly washing and chopping all your selected fresh fruits into small, manageable pieces. Next, blend about 1/3 of these fruits with a small amount of water to create a smooth, flavorful puree. If you are using zobo, steep your dried hibiscus flowers to make a rich, red drink. Finally, combine this fruit puree with your zobo or sparkling base in a large pitcher. Achieving the perfect balance of flavors is key for your Nigerian cocktail. Carefully add freshly grated ginger and a small pinch of ground cloves to your fruit and base mixture. Next, stir in your chosen sweetener. Begin with about 2 to 3 tablespoons and mix well. It is important to taste the cocktail and adjust the sweetness to your exact liking. For an extra refreshing fizzy kick, incorporate a generous splash of lemon-lime soda or sparkling water. Finally, let's ensure your Nigerian cocktail has a perfect presentation. First, chill the entire mixture in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This enhances the flavors. When ready to serve, pour the beautifully chilled drink into individual glasses, filling each about 3/4 full. For an appealing touch, garnish with fresh fruit slices, a few mint leaves, or even a colorful cocktail umbrella. Serve immediately and savor your delightful, homemade Nigerian cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.